Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase under 18. Coinbase's terms of service state that users must be at least 18 years old to open an account. This means minors cannot directly create or manage their own accounts. The only compliant way for someone under 18 to engage with Coinbase is through an account established and fully controlled by a parent or legal guardian. This approach ensures all legal age requirements are met while still allowing access to the platform's features. To proceed, a parent or legal guardian must first establish their own Coinbase account. They will need to complete all necessary identity verification processes, providing their personal information and documentation. It's crucial to understand that this account will be legally owned and operated solely by the adult. All funds, transactions, and any associated tax responsibilities will fall under the guardian's name and oversight, ensuring full compliance with financial regulations. Once the adult's account is active, the minor can gain indirect exposure to the world of cryptocurrency. This means they can observe transactions, learn about market dynamics, and understand how digital assets work, all under the direct supervision of their parent or guardian. The adult retains complete control over all account activities, including buying, selling, and transferring assets. This setup offers a valuable educational experience without granting direct ownership or control to the minor. It's vital to remember that the adult account holder bears full legal and financial responsibility for all actions taken on the account. Direct trading or independent management by the minor is strictly not allowed. This approach is primarily designed for educational purposes, allowing supervised learning about cryptocurrency. Always ensure you review Coinbase's most current terms of service to stay informed about any policy changes regarding account usage and age restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.